Today, this video really is about how I root my seeds, start my seeds in my worm bed. Now out here, I'm walking around the yard right now and looking at my my ginger. Plus that birdhouse right there. That birdhouse has raised 2 crops of bluebirds every year. My ginger is absolutely looking fantastic. The big thing is, the ginger I thought that wasn't going to make it, this one right here, come from Hawaii, but dadgummit is coming, it's making it. Now the bug here. I'm at Starkey's farmstead, and I'll tell you what, she's been selling worms and she's got a bunch of them. If you want to see them, they're here, people. They're definitely here. Look at that. You just can't be, look at the worms. The other day, I was out here at my worm bin, and I was checking things out. And as I did, I found some old butterbean seeds I had in the shed here. So I just threw them in there for the worms. I come back out here this morning, I'm looking a week or 10 days, and look what I found. I got butterbeans growing all up through the worm bed. Look at that. So people, if you want to raise seeds, all you got to do is go out to your worm bin and throw them in there. And I promise you, look at that. They will grow. They will grow like who'd have thought it. Look under there. I got all kind of stuff popping out. And believe me, I have grown potatoes like that. Grow the potato. In fact, that's what that is right there. Potato peelings. They'll grow. I'll take them out to the yard, stick them in the ground, and then I'll harvest potatoes. Then Mama will peel the potatoes. I'll throw them back in there and start all over again.